So, what we want to do is write the equation of the line that goes through these 2 points, and we want it in both the point slope and the slope intercept. Are we still good?
Yep.
All right, what's missing? Do we have everything we need to put it in the point slope?
We don't have the slope.
We don't have the slope. So, the first thing you're going to have to do is calculate the slope. So here is x1, y1, x2, y2. So when we substitute, we have 10 minus 6 over minus 3 minus 5, which looks like a minus...
No, it'd be 4.
It'd be positive 4.
Yeah, because it's,
But then it would be a negative 1/2 then.
Yep.
Okay. Now, I can use either one of the points, and I'm just going to use Ryder's point. And I'm going to start by putting in, my point slope formula that I expect to see every time you use it. That way you'll have it memorized. This much is always going to be there. Okay? So, what's our slope? What did we just calculate our slope?
Negative 1/2.
So we pop that right in. The x term is 5. The y term is 6. And we're done. Or, I could have used Ashton's number, and again, it starts the same way. The slope is still 1/2. The y-coordinate is a negative 3, so what's going to happen to this negative sign?
The positive.
Positive 3, because we'd have a double negative there, and the 10, and that's our second one. Either one of these, and you don't have to give both, either one of these is the point slope form. Now, the next thing I have to do is change it to slope intercept. So I'm going to take this one, and I'm going to dp I took a negative 1/2 times 3. Then, how do I get rid of the 10?
Add 10.
When I add 10, so this is the problem you have to work out. So I'm going to make this 22s. That way, when I subtract, I get 17/2. And here's my answer. All right, one more thing, and you don't have to copy this down. One more thing that I want to deal with is graphing them. Don't be doing that. Don't be on me. What we're going to do is we're going to take this guy right here, the one we did on the board, so what ordered pair did we go through? You understand how we got that? Then you go over to your grid and find 2, negative 9. I'm going to have to slide my line here just up out of the way because I'm going to be down at the bottom. So 2, here's 2, negative 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so the slope says I have a negative 3/7, right? So what does that mean to get that the next point?
You have to go down 3.
Down 3 and
Then
then right
right
7. So I go down 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How do I get a point this way?
Go up 3 and left 7.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now I would use a ruler and draw my line. Okay, so these are the things that you're going to be doing today. First off, you're going to using the point slope formula, and you have to write this down every time you use it. They're gonna ask you, they're gonna give you the equation, and you're gonna tell me the point and the slope. They're gonna give you a point and slope, you're gonna use the point slope, work it down, and then you're gonna change it to the slope-intercept form. And then finally, they're gonna ask you to graph. And again, when you graph these, you have to give me the slope and the point. Questions? Turn it off.